Hello, I'm going to give you a demonstration of how to use the Please platform. The first thing I'll introduce you to is the dashboard on the upper right side. As you can see, I've logged in as myself, and you can see the number of stars I've received on average from all the different services that I've been able to perform for other people on this platform. I can use this little dashboard in order to navigate through the different requests that I've received, the requests that I have sent, the profile that I've registered, and I can of course log out from here. On the other side, you can also see all the different choices on the menu in case of updates and how it works and frequently asked questions about the platform itself and contacts and of course the terms and conditions. So first thing let's do is let's see how to register our profile. So I want to give help to other people. I click on Give Help, and this is where I can select all the different activities that I would like to give help in. If it's household or groceries or in all the other things. And of course, you can select any number of activities that you want. And then over here, you can select when you might be generally available. This allows you to select the mornings or afternoons or evenings or some combination of the two. I can click on afternoons as well, or I can unclick on afternoons, or I can have any combination of these. Then the next thing is I can enter the area in which I live, and I can be as specific as a street level address as well as a zip code or city level detail. So for instance, here, let me enter my street level address, and I can be very particular about where I am looking for help around a particular radius. The radius is set at a default currently of 5 kilometers, and so it'll provide access to those people in the area who are available for you. In the next step, I entered the motivation that I have in order to help other people. In my case, the motivation is that my parents are older, and I can empathize with those who are older and need a little bit of help. And I can also enter my specific skill sets that I may have that may contribute to other people. And I can save this profile. As you can see, it also shows that my ID has been approved because we have certain steps that we take to actually register your identity information, and this way we can ensure that your ID is in fact valid. I can change the profile picture that I have, and of course I can change my password anytime that I want. You can always go in and update your motivation or your skills, and update the preferences of the service radius that you want to have, or the particular skills or the help that you want to give to other people. So let's go back to the main screen. Now, if I want to get help, how do I do that? Well, I just simply click on Get Help. I then select on the category of help that I'm looking for. So, for example, if I'm looking for a meal to be cooked for me, I can see who the people are who are available in order to do anything regarding meals. Now, I can be more specific in my search. I'm actually looking for somebody to eat together with. And so there, as you see, it automatically does a refiltering of the people who are available, and it slims down the choice now to only these four people. Then I can go in and then I can look at maybe the profile of Susan, and I can say, look, here's what Susan is. Here's where she lives. She's interested in meal preparation as well as eating together in the evenings. And if this matches the work that I'm looking for or the support I'm looking for, then I can go ahead and send her a request. I can read her motivation and I can read her skills right here. And I can send her a specific request saying, hello, Susan, I'm looking for some company over an early dinner tomorrow evening. Would you be in available at around 6 p.m.? And if I hit the button for send request, the request will go through. Now, I can keep a log of of the requests I've sent over here. So for instance, I can look at all the requests I've sent, and I can see where these requests have done. Now, I remember yesterday I met with Durdona, and we shared some stories about investments. And so this particular service request is now complete. So I will simply change the status to complete, and I want to say that it was a great experience to converse with you, Durdona, and I look forward to another meeting soon. Good luck. And I can send that on. And so it registers that the service has been completed. And so in this way, you can manage your services in any which way you want. You can also review the requests that you've received as a provider. And I can see that, for example, my last request was from Thais, and it was canceled because her schedule changed and she was unable to make the appointment. I can also review the different ratings that I've had from different people and that I've given to other people. And I can view, of course, my profile all over again. So this is a quick little instruction guide of how to use the Please platform and how it can be of service for anybody who would like to provide help or anybody who would like to receive a little bit of help.